Hello guys. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find all devices where you are currently logged in. First, let's quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button Update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Instagram in the down right corner. Click on Profile Image. Profile page will open up. Now in the top right corner, click on 3 lines. List of options will show up. Click on Settings. Now find an option called Security. Click on it. Various options will show up. Click on Login Activity. Here you can see all the devices where your account is logged in. If you don't recognize the device in the location on the right side, click on 3 dots and here click on Log Out. That will be it for this video. For more tutorials like this, follow our channel. See you in the next video.